Welcome to the ALGO-CRM. In this video, we will see the email configuration. First, we will start from the company page where we need to select a company. I am selecting Arihant Solution 2. Now we are on the dashboard of ALGO-CRM. Then go to Administration from the left menu panel. Under this, select Configuration, then choose Notification, and finally click on Provider Configure. This configuration ensures that all email messages will be routed through the specified provider settings under Provider Configuration. Within the form, there is Channel Name field. From the drop-down list, we need to select Email. Provider Name field contains a single selectable option, SMTP. Through Google, this allows sending up to 500 messages per day, with a possible delay of up to 5 milliseconds. In this section, we have two options available, Default and Custom. When the default option is selected, the system uses a predefined SMTP configuration. This configuration is already set up with the required values to send emails using a standard email provider. In this, the following values are automatically filled in like type, host, port, secure, user, pass and reply to. When the custom option is selected, the channel name and provider name will remain the same as in the default option, but the configuration details must be entered manually by the user. In this mode, users are required to provide their own SMTP configuration, which includes type, host, port, secure, user, pass and reply to. In this, provider should provide the valid email. Password configuration must be generated using two-step verification, and reply to field specifies the email address that will receive replies from recipients. Once all the required details in the form are filled out, we will proceed to submit the form for further processing. Now again, go to Administration from the left menu panel. Under this, select Configuration, then choose Notification, and finally click on Notification Configure. Notification configuration will notify users whenever an enquiry or support ticket is created or updated. In the left side panel, the options are Enquiry Create, Enquiry Allocation, Enquiry Update, Support Create, Support Allocation and Support Update. In Task Create, Task Allocation, and Task Update, these three sections have only the push notification option, through which we can send in-app notifications. We will select Enquiry Create. If we want to receive a notification when an enquiry is created, we can enable or disable the email toggle or delete it if not needed. The push option is used when we want to send notifications directly to an in-house application. Now we will click on Add Configuration, which enables us to send additional emails or helps us to create new email notifications. Once clicked, the Create Notification Configuration form will appear, allowing you to enter the required details. Here we have two options available, email and WhatsApp, for which we can create configurations. I am selecting email. There are some variables available that we can use while filling out the configuration form. Now we can see that the form is divided into two parts, email configuration and live preview. Whatever changes we make in the email configuration will be instantly visible in the live preview, which helps us see the updates in the email template in real time. In the email configuration section, there is a hide toggle, which allows us to hide the live preview. Now we will start creating the template for the email configuration. There is mandatory fields which have an asterisk, and these must be filled in before saving the configuration. In recipient email field, we will use a variable for the user's email address, the one to whom the email will be sent. Here, we will use the contact email variable. Next, in the email template section, several options are available such as New Enquiry Confirmation, Support Ticket Created, Ticket Enquiry Update, Pending Action Reminder, and Ticket Enquiry Closure. Since I am creating configuration for an enquiry creation, I will select the new enquiry confirmation option. In email subject field, we can provide the subject for the email and also use variables in it. For example, here I have written your enquiry with and added the variable for the company name. The Edit HTML directly toggle allows us to add or modify the content using HTML. In the email title field, we will provide the title for our email. Since I am creating the configuration for enquiry creation, I will enter the title enquiry created. Now, in the message content section, we will write the content of the email, and we can also use variables here. For example, Dear Contact, where contact is a variable that will display the contact person's name. We can create the message according to our preference and use the variables wherever needed. Lastly, we have footer content section, where we will add the footer content for the email. Here, I have added warm regards along with the company name. Now, we will see the live preview of our newly created email configuration. In the email header, to field will display the variable we entered, which represents the contact person who will receive the email. And similarly, in the subject field, we can see the same subject we entered along with the variable we used. Next, we will move forward to the email content. If we have added a company logo, it will appear in the company logo section. Next, enquiry created is the title we entered in the email title field. After that, we can see the content and the footer text that we added in the email configuration. If there is any error in the preview section, we can adjust the configuration according to our preference. After filling all the details, we can click on the Create Configuration button. Now we can see that another email option has been created. Similarly, we can create more notifications as per our requirements in enquiry creation, and we can also delete or disable previously created notification. Just like we created the configuration for enquiry creation, we can also create configurations for enquiry allocation, enquiry update, or support creation, allocation, and update. These configurations help ensure that users are notified whenever new ticket is created or when an existing ticket is updated. Thank you.